there, I'm Krista with FixV IT and welcome back to our series on how to use the Microsoft Outlook web app. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to turn off conversation view so your emails appear as individual messages instead of grouped threads. If you're looking for a specific section of this video, hover over the progress bar and select the part you need. Otherwise, let's get started. The first method uses the settings feature. To start, you will need to be signed into your Microsoft 365 account and have opened the Outlook web app. In the top right corner, click the gear icon to open the settings page. Make sure Mail on the far left is selected. Scroll down until you see Message Organization. Select Show Email as Individual Messages. Click on the Save button, then click the X in the upper right corner of the window to close. Outlook will now display each email separately. The second method uses the View menu. Next to the Home tab, click View. Under View, click on Messages. Hover over Conversations and select Show each mail separately. Click on Home to return to that menu. And there you have it. Whether you're using Settings or the View menu, you can easily turn off Conversation View and see every email on its own. And if you still have questions, feel free to reach out to our team at FixV IT. And thanks for watching.